This is the 4tronix Picobot. It's a tiny Arduino compatible robot. On board is an 80 mega 328p chip, two forward facing light sensors, two line sensors which are underneath, and a bunch of LEDs. It has two buttons, one of which is a reset and one button that you can program yourself. You can plug in a 2.4 GHz wireless module which gives several of these robots the ability to swarm and work together. It's powered by a LiPo or Li-ion battery which plugs in the back. It comes mostly pre-assembled, and all you have to do is push the wheels on and screw the front caster ball assembly onto the front. You program it by using a USB adapter and this header, which works with the Arduino IDE, which means easy programming in the traditional Arduino manner with sketches. Example sketches are provided for a variety of different functions, and the one I've got comes preloaded with a line follower sketch. So let's see it in action. First thing we're going to do is to attach the battery. Comes with these little Velcro pads for that purpose. It's not particularly well fastened on there. Set up myself up a line following course, and what you do is you switch it on at the back with this little switch. As you can see, it comes on, and we'll put the robot down. Having a little bit of trouble turning it off with the wheels going round. There we go. So here you can see the Picobot in all its glory. That's the front caster assembly which I mentioned earlier, and the two line following sensors. Comes with nice pink wheels, or I believe you can get yellow ones as well. You can get the LiPo battery. It is extra because you might already have one. But it's very cute. Oh, one of the wheels has just come off. I think that's where I've been manhandling it too much. It's fairly easy just to pop back on. I'm not going to try and do it one-handed though. It's very cute though. Let's have a quick look at the website, because I can tell you how much it retails for. If I look at the 4tronix website, it is $21.95 plus postage. Actually, I'm pretty sure that that goes over the free postage, so it's not plus postage. I say you can, when you order it, you can choose which colour wheels you want. You can choose whether or not to provide a battery and which battery you want. You can plug an ultrasonic distance sensor onto the front of it. Happen to have one here, although you can order one from 4tronix. Which turns it into kind of bug-eyed monster. And of course you can also order the wireless module, which is only a couple of quid, and a programming cable, which is £3. I'm really impressed with it. It's simple to put together in that you don't really need to put much of it together. You just push the wheels on and screw the caster on the front of it. It's a neat little robot. It's one of the cheapest ones out there. It's Arduino compatible. Yeah, it's Arduino compatible, and I've just pushed the wheel back on. It's got a lot of capabilities already built into it: line following, light sensing. It's got this LED on the back, which is there, which is great for if you want to make them swarm and follow each other, because you can use the light sensors on the front to detect the light LED on the back. Yeah, I really love it. It's incredibly cute. I mean, you know, especially with the eyes on the front of it. Um, and it is very, very cheap. The Arduino IDE is free to download. Just whack it onto a laptop or a desktop computer. You can probably even program it with a Raspberry Pi if you want to go that far. You might need to use the Alter VR dude that Gordon Henderson worked on. But I think it's a smashing little robot. It's got a lot of features. And that's all I've got to say about it. It's something I'm going to come back to once I've got the programming cable, which I should have ordered the first time. And yeah, I can thoroughly recommend it. Good bit of fun.